Hello everyone, I'm Prapti.
And I'm Lamia. We, along with Bhavya, are students of Excel Public School, Mysore. Today, we are excited to represent our project Arivu Pettige, a science kit designed not just to teach scientific concepts, but to foster scientific thinking through hands-on exploration.
Our journey began with brainstorming. We realized that students often struggle with understanding scientific thinking processes like hypothesis formulation, experimentations, and data analysis. Our goal was to create a tool that helps students actively engage with these processes in an enjoyable and practical way.
We delved into the science behind toys, exploring how they can be used to teach fundamental concepts such as energy, motion, and gravity. By focusing on toy based pedagogy, we wanted to ensure that students not only learn content but also develop critical thinking skills essential for scientific inquiry.
Next, we conducted interviews and spoke to teachers to understand classroom challenges better. Their feedback helped us refine the kit to make it practical for classroom use.
We started designing and prototyping. We created activities for different grade levels, focusing on hypothesis driven learning. For grade 6, the emphasis was on writing simple hypotheses, while grade 8 students worked with more complex ones involving variables and controls. Arivu Pettige is designed to make learning science engaging and hands on. The kit is used in classrooms with students working in groups of 4 to 5. The teacher begins the session with a wow factor demonstration using a slinky, either live or through a short video to spark curiosity and capture students' attention.
After this, students receive a hypothesis guide, a concise reading material designed to be completed in about 5 minutes. Then they individually write the hypothesis on worksheets to ensure clarity. Each group has a brief discussion with the teacher to refine their understanding before finalizing their hypothesis. Students then choose from a set of hypothesis cards displayed by the teacher, selecting the one that best aligns with their written hypothesis. Based on their choice, tailored experiment kits are distributed. These kits include detailed guides with instructions, do's and don'ts, safety measures, observation worksheets, and sections for recording their inferences.
With the teacher monitoring and assisting, students conduct experiments to test their hypothesis. This process encourages critical thinking and helps them stay on track. Once they've recorded their observations, they evaluate their results to determine whether their hypotheses were correct. We tested Arivu Pettige with students of grade 6 and 8, and the feedback was overwhelmingly positive.
Through this project, we learned valuable lessons in teamwork, problem solving, and design thinking. It was amazing to see our ideas come to life and make a difference in how science is taught.
We hope Arivu Pettige inspires more students to explore science with curiosity and joy.
Thank you.